This is for class 9 worksheet number 15, trigonometry. So the first question, if sin theta is equals to cos theta, as I have been telling, theta is always 45 degree at sin theta is equals to cos theta. I am not really convinced with the question they have given. So tan theta plus cos theta, they have option only 0. So I think they don't need to put this theta. Only tan 45 will become 1. So if they change the question, then we can say. So I am not convinced with the first question. If sin theta, sin A is equals to cos B, then what is cot A plus B? If sin A is equals to cot B, then cos 90 minus A is equals to cos B. So 90 minus A is equals to B. Therefore 90 is equals to A plus B. Hence therefore cot 90 is equals to 0 degree. The value of cot 32, cot 47, cot 60, cot 58, cot 43. So cot 32 can be written as 90 minus 58. Cot 47 can be written as 90 minus 43. And cot 60 can be written as 1 by root 3. Cot 58 as it is. Cot 43 as it is. So cot becomes tan. This also becomes tan. So 1 by root 3. So we can cancel cot and tan. They are inverse of each other. So we are left with 1 by root 3. Thence it is. Question number 4. So as you can see, 2 cos 30 degree 3 theta is equals to root 3. Then find the value. Cos 3 theta, we take 2 to that side of equal, it becomes root 3 by 2. Therefore it becomes cos 30. So 3 theta is equals to 30 degree. Theta is equals to 10 degree. If sin square 30 plus cos square, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Hence we write this as 1. Next, if sin 45 plus sin 90 is equals to 1 by root 2 plus 1, and 1 plus cos 45 cos 90 is equals to 1 plus 1 by root 2 plus 0. So therefore we write root 2 that side of equal to, so 1 plus, we take LCM. So root 2 is being cancelled, hence therefore both get cancelled, it becomes 1. If 5 sin A is equals to 4, then find the value of sin A minus cos A by 2 tan A. So as we know, sin A is equals to 4 by 5. It can be written as opposite by hypotenuse. We draw this in a right angle triangle. After that we find the value of x, that is 3. As if you know, these three are Pythagorean triplet, so you can directly write also. So sin A is equals to 4 by 5, cos A is equals to 3 by 5, tan A is equals to 4 by 3. Opposite by adjacent, opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse, and opposite by adjacent. We substitute the value, we take the LCM first, so 4 minus 3 become 1, then multiply 2 into 4, 8, 8 by 3, then we take reciprocal, so 3 by 40. Verify sin 60 is equals to 2 sin 30 cos 30. So we did this question already in page number 57. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2, both are equal, hence verified. Next we are coming to 9th question, that is sin 30 cos 60 sin cos 30 sin 60 is equals to sin A, then find A. 1 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 4, which becomes 1. So it becomes 1 sin A, so sin A is equals to 90 degree. Then we are coming, if cot A is equals to tan 36, then find A. If cot A is equals to tan 90 minus 54, which becomes cot 54, so A is equals to 54. From the following figure, find the value of x. So we know that there are only two values given, one of the angle, another is side, which is hypotenuse. So by using sin 30, we find opposite by hypotenuse, 1 by 2. So opposite by 100 is equals to, we cross multiply, it becomes 50. So opposite is 50. Again cos 30 we find adjacent by 100. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So we find adjacent side also. So now we get both the sides. After this we get, find the value of x, because x is not given in the diagram. So I place the x. So as I place the x, we get, this is 90 degree, this is 30 degree, so this has to be 60 degree. So x can be 60 degree. Okay, these are the values. Now we are coming to question number 12. Find the area of the right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 16. One of the acute angle is 45 degree. So we are given this value, hypotenuse is 16, angle is 45 degree. To find the area of right angle triangle, we use the formula half into base into height, as we did in the previous problem. So we are doing in the same problem. Sine 45 degree opposite by hypotenuse, we write the values, we find the value of h first. Then cos theta we use adjacent by hypotenuse, cos 45 1 by root 2, cross multiply 16, we get breadth. So breadth is equals to 16 by root 2. So area is half into breadth into height. We multiply this and we get this as 64. Okay, 13. If a plus b is equals to 90, find the value of sin a by cos b, cos a by sin b. So we change only 2. What do we change? We change both the denominator. Cos b becomes 90 minus sin a, complementary angle formula, and sin b becomes 90 minus a. If a plus b is 90, b can be 90 minus a. So hence we substitute sin a by sin a and cos a by cos a equal to 1 plus 1, which becomes 2. Next, we have only 2 questions left. From the given figure, find the value of cos a, sin a and tan a in terms of x. So as given in the figure, we are using the Pythagorean theorem to find the value of third side. So 1 plus x the whole square is equals to 2x square plus bc square. This can be written as 1 plus 2x square plus x power 4. This is 4x square plus bc. So 1 plus 2x square minus 4x square plus x power 4 is equals to bc, because this is come to other side of equal to. Hence therefore 1 minus 2x square plus x power 4 is equals to bc. Because there is a minus sign in between, it becomes 1 minus x the whole square. So bc is equals to 1 minus x square. So as we get all the 3 values, now we substitute for cos a, sin a and tan a. Adjacent by hypotenuse, opposite by adjacent, sine by cos, we substitute all the values. Here also there is a problem in the question interpretation. This is not 30 degree, it is 38 degree. Okay, now if sine 38 36 is equals to this, tan 12 inches is equals to this, then find the value of cos 51 degree 24 plus cot 70 degree. So sin 38 36 can be written as 0.6239. Sin 90 minus 51 degree 24 inches is equals to 0.6239. Then sin 90 minus theta becomes cos theta, that is the value. So sin and cos, these two values are same. Same way we convert this tan into cot. Okay, then we add these two values and it sums up to this. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and hit the like button.